Currently getting 1,100 plus overall participants in individuals and relays.
So who is the flag off?
We had Leander Pace, we had Rohan Gowde, we had sportsman Rohan Gowde, we also had Tejasvi Surya sir, who came in and was also the chief secretary. So it's a pleasure it's a privilege to be sharing the dais with them.
Sir, this type of sports only held in Goa. How is it important time in Goa is the weather and this climate?
Weather is not, in all races in Asia, the weather is hot and humid. But outside of that, in terms of the support for tourism, the support for using the waters, the beautiful waters, good beaches, and the support from the government to close down roads so that all the race can happen in a very safe manner, that was very important for us.
So how do you see on the safety and security?
So right there, as you see on the water, we have the clearly the coast marked out. We also have kayaks, jet skis, boats, people on the surfboards, and we have all those people taking care if anybody needs help. There are also medical facilities, there are ambulances. This is on the swim course. The same applies to the bike course and the run course. We have ambulances stationed in all places.
सर अगर ऐसी कंपटीशन होती है तो जोग्राफिकल सिचुएशंस कितना इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है?
मतलब
जोग्राफिकल जैसे एटमॉस्फेयर इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है वैसे
वेदर थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है एंड ऑल्सो अगर रूट थोड़ा बहुत अप एंड डाउन है माउंटेनियस है तो साइकिलिंग थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा ना. सो इन दिस केस द रूट इज़ प्रीटी फ्लैट except for small sections when you go towards the highway. That is important, but most races in Asia are really hot and humid. Goa is no different.
पर्यटन दृष्टिकोनांतल्यान जर आमी जर विचार केलो आणि खेळामळाचेर आमी जर विचार जर केलो जाल्यार आजचो Ironman 70.3 is a very important event in the state of Goa. As swimmers, cyclers and the runners across the world आज पार्टिसिपेट जातात. ज्या तरेन हांगसर जो अरेंजमेंट जो ऑर्गनायझेशन जो केल्लो आसा खूपच आज एप्रिशिएशन करपा सारको आसा. गोवा टुरिझम त्याच बरोबर आमचे हर्बल लायफ हे मेन को स्पॉन्सर आसा.
There are two of them as you see straight. That should help you to get your swim started and as straight a line as you can. Right, you're going to keep both of the red ones on your left. You're going to turn at the second one. You put one more additional one just from a sighting perspective so that the first one is clear, right? So you're going to go straight. The red ones will always be on your left. Alright, you will go past these two red boys, then turn left. You'll find one more. There's only one. That's the only red one there. So the two big red ones, you swim, keep it to your left.
This is the fourth edition.
Turn left. Swim straight. You'll find one more red boy. Again, same thing. Turn left. Same thing once more. When you come back, you will see a small triangular yellow one with an M dot, a small one.
To make you a mentally
That one
tough,
you're going to take a right, but you need to keep it to your right.
Will take you
Right,
to
that's
live
the
a very
only one.
happy life.
All of them are on your left. The last one, which is the yellow one, is the one
सगळ्यांचे परत एकदा हांव स्वागत
which will be
गोया खातीर एक भूषण
last
आसा
one, which will be the
आयर्नमॅन
one that's
ॲज
the
अ
only
स्पोर्ट्स
one you need
मिनिस्टर
to
म्हणून
keep on
तुम्ही
your
कशा
right,
पळयता?
and then you swim back.
Definitely,
There are a few other sighting boys in between to help you align. So once again I repeat, you go straight, past the two red boys, turn left, keep going through, one more red boy, turn left, one more red boy, turn left, and the last one is a triangular yellow one, you turn right and keep it to your right.
Another 6 or
That's
5
it.
years time, many
Every
of the
50
Goan people
to 75 meters there are small sighting boys which you can use to keep it in a straight line. They will also act as small resting pontoons with two people to hold on to if you need to. In addition to that, you can always hold on to the kayaks and other safety assets out there. They have been instructed not to move when you go out there to hold on or take help.
Travel
Alright.
in the entire
Great.
place of the world.
जेन्ना नॅशनल लास्ट टायम नॅशनल गेम्स जाले आयर्नमॅन सारखे कॉम्पिटिशन जाले गोंयच्या भुरग्यां खातीर कितलें इम्पोर्टन्स आसा हेचें?
नॅशनल गेम्स कितल्यो गोंया खातीर इम्पॉर्टंट जाल्यो हें तुमी उगड्या दोळ्यांनी पळयलेलें आसा. बिकॉज तो टेबल टेलीन आमी लास्ट आशिल्ले आनी आज जवळ जवळ आमकां 92 मेडल्स मेळून खूब इन 10 नंबराचेर आमी पाविल्ले आसात आनी म्हाका दिसता हो नॅशनल गेम्स वील ऑल्सो गिव अ बूस्ट टू ईच एंड एवरी इव्हेंट और द डिसिप्लिन्स which are yet to be conducted in the state of Goa.
Which went for cycling.
Hey sir, what's the experience about?
Amazing. बढ़िया था भाई.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.